At Valley Natural Foods, we want to help you make the best, most informed choices possible.
We all want to be healthy, live healthy, and eat healthy. And let's face it, the importance of making healthy choices, it isn't a new concept. We've all heard it before, yet there's a lot to know about what healthy food is and isn't.
3 healthy choices we want you to consider: buying local, choosing organic, and avoiding GMOs, which are genetically modified organisms. In this video, we define and highlight the benefits of these choices, but above all, we want you to know that our mission is a healthy community. We lead and advocate on issues, educate consumers, and sell high-quality products you can trust.
Let's start with buying local. Yum! An orangey red, juicy heirloom tomato, bred for its freshness, flavor, color, and unique variety.
Even better, it was fresh picked at a nearby family farm in Northfield, Minnesota, called Gardens of Vegan.
Or, on the other hand, we have this common slicing tomato from a big box grocery retailer. It's bred for shipping and long shelf life, and it could come from a farm nearly 1,500 miles away. Now don't forget about the unneeded pollution that trip causes too. Now which would you choose?
That's an easy question. If freshness, flavor, and knowing where your food comes from is important, then choose from the local family farm. Buying local means just that, supporting our local farmers, strengthening our local economic base, and keeping family farms in business.
That's really our only option, is to sell to the local stores, farmers markets, CSA members. That's what we're built for. When you buy from a local farmer through the co-op, for example, you're keeping your dollars in the community longer than if you spent it at a national chain. And it stays in the community 3 times longer.
By getting to know the farmers who grow our food, we can build understanding, trust, and connections with our neighbors. And we can help preserve these values for future generations. So now let's focus on why you should buy organic. When you know where your food is grown, it is easier to choose safe food that is free of chemicals, pesticides, hormones, and antibiotics, and GMOs.
Eventually water goes from the soil into the waterways or into our aquifers below.
Organic farms are beautiful to see and better for the overall environment.
It really helps create diverse habitat. We don't want to have only a monocrop that will only support a few kinds of wildlife and insects. And we want frogs and bees and bugs of all kinds, birds of all kinds.
When you put down that money for that food, that really is a vote. It's a vote for what kind of landscape you want. So if you want a landscape that's clean water, supports communities, has wildlife habitat, then you need to support that when you walk into a store like Valley Natural Foods.
One important thing to note is that just because a product says there's organic ingredients, it doesn't mean the entire product is completely organic. So one thing to watch for is this USDA organic symbol, which is here on the butter. That shows that the product has been certified through a rigorous process.
Organic equals integrity. I have to do what I say I'm going to do. I follow the rule, and a third party certifies every year that I'm doing that so that the consumer doesn't have to bear the burden of trying to figure it out.
Labeling can be confusing, so here's how you can tell what you are buying. No certified organic product can contain GMOs. 100% organic products have the USDA seal and the words 100% organic on them. 95% organic products have just the USDA seal. 70% organic products can prominently label themselves made with organic ingredients. Unlike organic foods, no agency regulates the use of the word natural. In fact, the FDA does not define it. Yet at Valley Natural Foods, natural means minimal processing and no added colors and no artificial flavors or synthetic substances.
Buying certified organic foods definitely protects you against GMOs. But what are GMOs really?
By definition, GMOs are plants or animals that have been genetically engineered with DNA from bacteria, viruses, or other plants and animals.
These experimental combinations of genes cannot occur in nature or in traditional crossbreeding.
According to the non-GMO project, the top crops grown from GMO seeds include alfalfa, corn, canola, cottonseed, soybeans, sugar beets, Hawaiian papaya, and a small amount of zucchini and yellow squash. The question is, are GMOs safe to eat?
GMOs have been linked to a number of different health and environmental issues. Environmentally, we're seeing different superbugs that are coming into play now that we didn't previously have. And we're also seeing super weeds. Some of the health issues that we're seeing come into play now are inflammation, allergies, even cancer. And so while the studies aren't conclusive, until we know more, it makes sense to label.
Because of the unknown effects, more than 60 developed countries restrict or ban the production and sale of GMOs, but not the United States. Lobbyists have blocked attempts to require even labeling of GMO ingredients, so you don't even know when you're eating them.
Well, at Valley Natural Foods, we believe that our customers should have the right to know what's in their food. So we label our non-GMO products two ways. One, of course, is the certified organic label, and the second way is the non-GMO project label. We have rearranged our purchasing procedures so that we can get good quality non-GMO products. We care about the health of our customers, and we want to offer a high quality non-GMO product to them that they can trust.
You can find locally raised grass-fed beef and local organic eggs. And so to me, coming here, it's just kind of the whole package, being able to find everything that I need and I trust where it's sourced.
We now hope you feel more informed about what healthy food means at Valley Natural Foods. And don't be afraid to ask questions either. We are always willing to help you be healthy, live healthy, and eat healthy every step of the way.
Visit our store in Burnsville, Minnesota, and visit our website, valleynaturalfoods.com, for more videos and information.